Hey everyone, this is Jerry at Green Building Supply, and we're going to give away another cutting board. We're going to be giving away this cutting board from Totally Bamboo. It's huge, and it's got these awesome removable stainless steel cups for easy prep. And you can see the bottom here. It's really nice and sturdy, easy to clean. People love it. So, if you submitted a review with us from September 15th through January 30th of this year, we entered your name, and if you gave us more than one review, you got as many entries for this contest. So, we entered your nickname that you submitted your review with. Uh-oh. Whoops. There are your names. And here we go. Here we go. And here we go.
And then if there's any problem, I'll give you a call. Otherwise,
All right. Flat Knee Joe, you're the winner of our cutting board. Awesome. Congratulations. So, if you have more things to review, feel free to review those for us, because we're going to be giving away another one of these. We so appreciate it. Thank you so much.
usually the marble